Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Meitu app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on me down here, you just click here on me. It's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just click on here general. When just click on general here, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just click here on settings. When just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to assign here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.